I'm the Aquafit instructor here. I'm the Aquafit coach. We've curated this program for Speedo. Hello.
Hello. Oh, hi.
Hi, Yummy. So we've already met.
No, I don't want to sit. We good?
But so let me introduce you to this gorgeous beauty. She will be trying out Aqua Fitness with me today, and I'm super excited to teach her. Let's hear from her.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm really excited, and it was raining कुछ देर पहले. I think बारिश हो रही थी.
Yeah.
I was the least stressed out person. I said, you guys, anyway, make sure nobody leaves unpacked. So you might as well let's all just get some really productive day happening. And very excited because I think it's a great way to stay fit and have some fun. It's water at the end of the day.
So Yummy, what do you do for your fitness?
I personally do a lot of functional training, and obviously needless to say, your fitness and your food, which is called diet, it goes hand in hand.
Yeah.
But I don't.
Why you look like this? Okay. So note to self and to everybody else, I guess.
No, and also besides, I think it's always fun to try something different. It's very important because एक ही तरह की training बार-बार boring हो सकती है, monotonous.
So have you done Aquafit before?
I have. I've done it just once, but believe me, I'll try and be the best student as I can. मैंने जैसे अभी कहा कि मैं काफ़ी functional training करती हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा overweight training नहीं करती हूँ because every body you have to understand your body really well. मुझे पता है मेरी body का क्या frame है and how much of a workout I need to do. But जैसे मैंने कहा that आप 1-1.5 घंटा जिम में बिताएं और आपका डाइट फिर वापस आके आप सेव पूरी खाना शुरू कर दें, whatever, that won't work. Of course, we all have indulgence day. So I think food and workout goes hand in hand. और जैसे उन्होंने कहा, I think it's aqua fitness. एक नई चीज़ें रोज़ आ रही हैं. And water, swimming, और अगर आपको स्विमिंग नहीं भी आती है आप तब भी कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट बिकॉज काफ़ी लोग झिझक करते हैं कि अच्छा हमें स्विमिंग नहीं आती, हम कैसे करेंगे. यू कैन स्टिल एंजॉय इट. लेट्स सी. आई थिंक मैं भी पहली बार एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर करूँगी. आई रेड सो मच अबाउट हर एंड आई थिंक शी इज ग्रेट. सो इट बी समथिंग फन, समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. नहीं, मैं डे टू डे लाइफ में नहीं कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज जैसे मैंने कहा मैं ओन रूटीन. बट ऑफकोर्स योगा सिर्फ एक फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स लॉट मोर टू डू विद योर मेंटल stability and meditation. I think that's also a part of yoga. वो ज़रूर मैं करती हूँ. अगर आप नहीं करते आप ज़रूर टाइम निकालिए because I think आजकल के दौर में not just for actors, I think for anybody, just quick 5 minutes, that's also yoga.
So I'd like to add here that water is very therapeutic. When you get into water, when you do an aqua class, so we end it with a nice long stretch in the pool. So we'll be actually doing part of yoga here as well after the workout. After the intense workout, we'll do water yoga, which will relax and it's again mind and body.
मैं इसमें कहीं स्पीडो ढूंढ रही हूँ आपके क्वेश्चन में. जब मुझे नहीं सुनाई देगा तो वो ऐसे ही जाएगा. It's all about speedo today.